Tried to freeze some of these roots up here, but they go here and there and everywhere. Okay, we'll let it do what it's going to do, I guess. And, put some more dirt in here. Suriname super variegated pink banana. Get this guy spread out here on this dirt. Probably a nice base to start growing pups. I'm gonna stuff it down just a little bit. Just to give it some support. We'll pull any around, fall over or something. It's pretty steady in there. Getting to be a lot of empty buckets. Okay, let's get this filled up now. And we have lots of plants to put in those. This guy's about my height. He'll get about 8 feet tall. Just to shoot out some nice little bananas. Nice little variegated bananas. Variegated banana plant creates variegated bananas, of course. And then the rest will sawdust over this after. Maybe we put some screening for now. Grow to beat the blazes now. It's nice, rich, well-draining soil. Come with me for the ride. chore to be lugging around, I'll say. Don't want to move it too many times if you don't have to. We need some more space here. Get this under a little bit of shade. That's what it requires. You can't just put this in full sun in this climate because it's just too hot. We can have a bit of morning sun, but as far as the hot afternoon sun, no. That's a no-no. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some plants up here. We're going to water it in first. There is a water jug here. Oh, another avocados come up. Double tree. This guy watered in nice. Then we'll get some plants on top so the cats don't disturb it too much if we don't have enough screening. There she be. Didn't she a beauty? Look at those leaves. Wow. Gorgeous.